Welcome to JustCare, your trusted provider of home maintenance services in Dubai. We offer an array of services tailored to your needs. AC repair and maintenance services. Our AC repair and maintenance services are performed by certified professionals. We make sure your air conditioning unit operates efficiently, providing you optimal comfort. Handyman Services. Our Handyman Services cover a wide range of general maintenance and repair tasks. Save time and let our professionals handle your home improvements and minor repairs. Electrical Services. We have licensed electricians ready to solve any electrical issue you might encounter or install new electrical systems. We ensure safe and efficient electrical operations in your home. Carpentry Services. Our skilled carpenters are at your service, from minor repairs to creating custom furniture. Experience high-quality, durable results tailored to your unique requirements. Plumbing Services. We also provide full-scale plumbing services, from fixing leaks to new installations. We help prevent property damage and ensure efficient water use. Furniture Assembly Services. Tired of dealing with flat-pack furniture? Our furniture assembly service can save you the hassle. We'll assemble a wide range of furniture items for your home or office. Renovation Services. Planning for a makeover? We offer professional renovation services. Whether it's a small room remodel or an entire property renovation, we're here to help enhance the value and aesthetics of your property. Custom-made kitchens. And our specialty, custom-made kitchens. We design and install kitchens tailored to your personal taste and lifestyle. Enjoy a kitchen space that meets your unique needs and enhances the value of your home. justCare.tech contact information. Interested in one of our services? Reach us at our website, email us at justCare.tech, or call us on +9 7 1 5 8 2 2 0 0 507. We're open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. JustCare, we care for your home like you do.